The iPhone SE4 is expected to be a major upgrade from the current iPhone SE3, which was released in March 2022. The iPhone SE3 is basically an iPhone 8 with a faster processor and wireless charging only. The iPhone SE is the outlier in Apple's iPhone lineup. It's an iPhone for Apple fans who want to stick with older designs, but want processing upgrades, and for those who want to strictly stay within budget and still get the iOS experience. The iPhone SE4 has been rumored to get the design from the iPhone 14. Of course, one could look at the iPhone 14 to visualize what the iPhone SE4 could look like, but a leaked render would add more credibility to the claim. 91 Mobiles has shared CAD renders of the iPhone SE4, and it does indeed look a whole lot like the iPhone 14. On the back, we see a singular camera. The leaked CAD renders of the iPhone SE4 also show a USB Type-C port on the bottom edge alongside the speaker grills. The report suggests that it may carry a 6.1-inch display, which is a considerable upgrade over the 4.7-inch screen of the iPhone SE 2022. It is also seen with a notch found in the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 models that houses the Face ID module, suggesting that the upcoming handset may also carry the same feature. According to an earlier leak, the handset may be powered by an in-house A15 Bionic chip and get improved camera and display over older models. The iPhone SE4 will also have some features that the iPhone 14 doesn't have, such as an action button and a 48-megapixel camera. Paradoxically, given the retro inclusion of just one rear-facing camera lens, 91 Mobiles still thinks we could be in for an action button on the next iPhone SE4, a feature that appeared for the first time in the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. 91 Mobiles says the renders neither prove nor disprove this. It seems wildly unlikely to us, but at this point, who knows? The iPhone SE4 will also have a bigger battery than the iPhone SE3, with a capacity of 3,100 mAh, which is a 60% increase. It will also support 5G connectivity, thanks to a new Apple-designed modem that is more power-efficient and faster than the Qualcomm modem used in the iPhone 14. The iPhone SE4 price is also unknown, but it will likely be higher than the iPhone SE3, which starts at $399. The iPhone SE4 will have more advanced features and components, so it will probably cost around $499 or $549, which is still cheaper than the iPhone 14, which starts at $699. It isn't clear when Apple will launch the iPhone SE4. The phone is expected to arrive in 2025, but we might see it earlier since industry insiders are already getting details about the phone. The iPhone SE the 4th of May launch alongside the iPhone 16 lineup in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.